So we are driving out here to find a boondocking spot, and you can see Factory Butte right here on the left side. It's a pretty prominent landmark in this area, and yeah, a lot of people like to come out and check this area out. Used to be a lot of off-road vehicle stuff out here, but then they end up putting in some off-road vehicle specific areas, which has really helped because people were tearing up this landscape out here. It was pretty bad. Well, we are looking for a boondock spot, but we decided to drive out to this, well, I guess it's Skyline Overlook, or I've heard it called the Moon Overlook. And it is pretty out there. We were talking about boondocking up here, maybe doing a drone flight in the morning. However, it is so windy up here, and I probably will get out of the car, but I might not say anything. I don't know if I want to even try to use the mic.
There are a lot of fire pits up here.
Yeah, I'm sure a lot of people boondock up here, especially in the summer.
Yeah.
But it is extremely windy.
I think the wind's blowing that way though, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, you can see the
storm over there.
rain off to the center now, straight ahead. And sort of all around us. I mean, you can see it here, like over Factory Butte. See the rain clouds coming down. So we're gonna get out, take a look, hopefully not get blown off the cliff. And we may go boondock.
Trigger will stay in the tree.
Yeah, we may go boondock by Factory Butte, and
There was another really cool
try to do a drone
formation
shot maybe in the morning when there isn't so much wind. And it should be sunny in the morning. All right, I'll get out. If I probably won't say anything. I'll just photograph and run some music with it. Boy, this is incredible. All the years I've been coming down here, I never came out here. The Moon Overlook or Skyline Overlook. I said I wasn't going to talk, but the wind's not blowing right now, so I don't know what that thing is out there. Let's see if I can get it. In the center of that column. All right. Let's go to the other side. So yeah, I'll tell you, if it wasn't going to be windy, I wouldn't mind camping up here. Oh man, I bet it's just awesome though in the morning light out here. It's super, super windy. It's like people have walked out there, but there's no way this wind. I love these swirly areas. So this is about as close as I'm getting to the edge here. So these are just the rocks up on top here, which are very cool in their own right. Some of the little swirls in them. Alright, so I am now facing east. It's pretty cool formations down here. Everything's kind of looks flat out there, and then you have these hills, I guess you would call them, with all the breaks, and I can't tell if there's a path on the crest of that up there. I don't know how you'd get to it. That's kind of cool here with a little sun out here. A little cone out here all by itself. Looking back, Carol in the upper left-hand corner there. We may be here a while. She's photographing. So what I wanted to show you out here was that Looks like a sedan came all the way out, and I was just going to tell you how difficult. Well, maybe difficult's not the word for the road, but it is super bumpy in places. You got to go over rock areas and a few humps. I mean, I don't know. I'm surprised he made it out here in that sedan, but wouldn't be my recommendation. But, you know, everyone's got their own tolerance, and you can always stop and go back. But the main road that goes by Factory Butte and stuff that we passed, you know, that road is actually partially paved, it looks like. I don't remember it being paved. I always thought it was dirt, but it sure looked like pavement in parts. Maybe with some dirt, you know, like in parts like it's broken away or something, but it was very smooth. So we're probably going to head up back towards Factory Butte and find a boondock spot, which is what we started to do anyway. But the wind has really died here. I was thinking of boondocking up here. And yeah, there's another view of this sedan. I'm just amazed he's out here, and he's got those large rims too. Oh my God, with the thin tires. I mean, that's, I wonder if, is he flat?
Is it flat in the front?
Looks like he's probably got a flat. Yep, he's got a flat.
Well, I guess we need to go offer help, huh?
It's not flat.
I guess probably if it was, he'd be running over here waving his arms.
Yeah. I don't think it is flat, but he might have a lot of dents in his rims from the rocks here we had to go over. And there's a Factory Butte. They're just slightly to the right. We'll get a better view of it here in a minute. And we're going to probably go boondock under that or around that. And
near that.
Don't know if you can see, because it's so far off, there's a kind of a dark form at the bottom there, and Carol's intrigued by that, so we're going to see if we can find a way to get close to it. There is a road, so we're going to go find a road, and I've never been out that road. All right, well, that is Factory Butte. Gotta be honest, it's the closest I've ever been to Factory Butte. I don't think these roads were even here before. So this is the black thing I was telling you about, the form that Carol was really interested in. Wanted us to get closer to it. So we are planning on boondocking up here somewhere. And we will see. Oh, I'm starting to wonder if we're on an ATV road. It has been horrendously windy out here all night. We're going in. It's 8 o'clock. The sun's going down. It's not going to be any kind of a sunset or nothing.